Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Just want to dive right in. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame. As we can see right now, getting a little bit more bearish. As we can see, yesterday we closed it with an 18 and a red X and a -3. Now we have a 19 and -3. VWAP starting to come down as well, and the momentum waves are starting to curve down as well. So not looking too good for the longs right now, looking quite bearish in my opinion. And we can see the overnight markets as well are starting to go down 1.17% already. S&P 500 down 1.5%, and the Nasdaq almost down 2% now. So let's just see if we're gonna open in the red tomorrow. Also some bigger news as well. Gold reached $2,000 overnight, $2,000 an ounce. We did get rejected as well, you know, so obviously a big psychological level there. Now getting bought back up at 1990. So very good news for the gold holders. So our gold stocks tomorrow are going to be flying through the roof. As the entire market is in the red, we are going to be in the green again. So it's gonna just shows you what kind of value there is in the Crypto Mickey Discord. So if you guys haven't joined, definitely join. So that's where we make our money. Anyways, right now we did close the week off and with a green candle, a significant wick down from where we started. So 45,318 down all the way down to around 39,000, and now we're back down to 37,650. So in my opinion, this is the start of a downtrend, and we can see that the money flow is at the zero line now, about to cross into the red. And like I said before, I'm gonna reiterate once again, once we cross into the red for Bitcoin, there's a lot of downside that could be coming in the months after. As we can see back in 2014, once we crossed into the red money flow, a couple of weeks later, 3-4 weeks later, we had a 57% decline from these levels all the way down here. So 57% decline in 2018. Once we crossed into the red money flow, we had a 50% decline down to $3,100. Is it going to be happening again? Who knows? But I put my money where my mouth is. I'm holding my put options, which are in the green right now. So let's see if we're gonna get a big correction like I'm expecting. If not, then so be it. We still hold a lot of Bitcoin for the long run, and we could still make a lot of gains. So if a 50% decline from these levels, let's just measure it a little bit. Let's say we measure it from 39,500. A 50% decline would bring us around 19,650, or you could just flat out put it at $2,000, which is the previous all-time high. If we get there, then you better load up your bags and get ready to buy some Bitcoin, because that's going to be very cheap Bitcoin once we get there. Anyways, guys, right now on the BTC TA1 chart, looks like we were holding the support over the weekend, but right now looks like we're starting to break the support. So we're gonna take a look at the BTC TA2 chart, and once we get here, you guys can see we are gonna find some support at 36,200 or 34,600. If we break those levels, you want to be looking at 31,300 and $29,400. That's going to be some major support there, as we've held it historically, as we can see right here. Support, and we held it as support as well back in 2021 in January. So things are looking not too great for Bitcoin right now, but yeah, we got rejected at 39,600 once again over the weekend. We broke down, pumped back up, rejected, and then you could enter your short position from here. You could make some gains right there. So you'd be in about let's take a look here, 5% profit right there. With leverage, you could make some pretty good money. Ethereum as well, once again bouncing off support and then recovering a little bit, and then eventually rolling over. So if you entered your longs here and you set your stop loss just underneath, you could have even been at break even, or you could have made 4% with leverage. Could have been 80% depending on how much leverage you use. Right now Ethereum falling down, but we're going to see it come to some support once again at 2,400 and 2,300. So take a look at those levels, guys, and as well right here 2,400 right here on this purple line on the ETH2 chart. But if we break those levels, you could take a look at 1,800, which is going to act as significant support. Again, you always want to look at the traditional markets and see what's going on there, as it's a leading indicator for where Bitcoin could be going. And the long term, right here, we can see that Bitcoin closed the week off with a pretty bearish candle, so not looking too great for Bitcoin at the moment. Again, the MACD is starting to curl back up, but on the monthly time frame, in the bigger picture, you can see that Bitcoin is starting to come down. If it comes down to lower levels, you guys should be happy. You shouldn't be sad that it's going to decline so much in the price, as it is going to be a huge buying opportunity if you can get it to those levels. Everyone that's been complaining about how Bitcoin is so expensive and they can't buy it because it's 69,000, or they can't get as much of it as they want because it's at such a high price, well, this is going to be your opportunity to start to scoop it up. Again, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before you make any of your trades. But yeah, overall, markets are declining. Wars raging on in Ukraine. Things are getting pretty bad. Again, the European markets are reacting for pretty badly. Brent crude is up to 139 or something like that because they're thinking of banning Russian imports for oil. So that is going to have a significant impact on the entire market as well. So whew, looking pretty bad, guys. Anyways, right now you guys can take a look at Suncor as well. We'll take a look at this stock that I did sell back over here. Once we hit our take profit, we sold, and right after there the stock declined about 12%. You guys could have scooped it back up around this purple area, but again, we did not reach it. That's okay. Anyways, if you guys are still holding it over to today from our entry point at $30, you'd be up over 34% today. So congratulations to you guys in the gold Discord. You guys are making some really great gains. Anyways, guys, thanks for your support. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Once we get there, we're going to be making our giveaway, which is going to be only the Discord members that can win. So if you guys haven't already, definitely join the Discord. If you want to support the channel, you guys can join BitGet Trading. The link's in the description. And yeah, thanks, guys. You guys have been awesome. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.